BJD President and Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Friday released the third list of party candidates for the upcoming assembly elections. As per the announcement, Sarda Naik has been fielded from Rourkela, Swarup Das from Baleshwar, while Prakash Bera, who recently switched to BJD from BJP, has been nominated for Baravati Cuttack Assembly seat. Here's the list of candidates announced by Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik today.
Rengali, Shri Sudarshan Haripal. Rourkela, Shri Sharda Prasad Naik. Biran Mitrapur, Shri Rohit Joseph Tirki. Kyonjar, Srimati Meena Maji. Rairangpur, Shri Raisin Murmu. Balasore, Shri Swarup Kumar Das. Baravati Cuttack, Shri Prakash Chandra Behra. Sailapur, Shri Prasant Behra. Jaydev, Shri Nabakishore Malik.